information like kids trade baseball cards. The question is, who's going to notify you when your information is being compromised in that moment? We are. That's who. We're going to give you access to a social media reputation management system that continually scans for potential damaging information about you on all of your social media channels, and we notify you immediately. All of these are accessed from a single login. We're also going to give you access to identity consultation services, where you can talk to one of our identity specialists. We also provide you with 24/7 live support when you need it the most. And then, guys, here's what separates us from all these other companies. We do full service restoration. In other words, when your identity is compromised while you're a member of ID Shield, ours is one of the only companies that will go in and actually do the full restoration for you. We're going to give you a licensed private investigator who's going to do whatever it takes and work as long as it takes until you're completely restored back to pre-stolen status. We're going to back it up with a $3 million identity fraud protection plan. It is incredibly powerful. There's a reason why we're continually rated the best in this field. As if all of that wasn't enough, we're going to give you Trend Micro Maximum Security. This helps with things like malware,